How often have you dealt with this familiar situation? Eyeliner starts smudging and transferring to your upper lid and lower lash line, leaving you with panda eyes. Hey everyone, I am Haja and I am an online makeup instructor. I love to help you to understand and learn more about makeup application. Now back to the topic. Everyone has probably dealt with the smudgy eyeliner issue. Maybe because of the wrong product choice, the weather, the eye shape, or the inappropriate application. In this tutorial, I'm going to keep it short but informative on how to stop your basic or winged eyeliner from getting smudged and transferring around your eyes using 3 proven eyeliner application methods. So for the perfect product choice, we have to pay attention to quality and the term waterproof, because they are less probable to get smudgy on hooded eyes or in warm temperature conditions. Choose an eyeliner type that you find easier to work with. In my case, it is a dip-in eyeliner because I like the precise application and the intense black color. You can go for a felt tip eyeliner or a gel eyeliner. Brands I recommend are Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, Stila Stay All Day, NYX Epic Liner, Maybelline Hyper Easy, or MAC Liquid Last 24-Hour Eyeliner. Next thing we will need is an eyeshadow product in black or the same shade of your chosen eyeliner product. To help the product sit in place better, I recommend you to use an eye primer as a base on top of your lid. Last but not least, we need a setting spray. Now that we have our products ready, we move on to the application step. We first apply our eyelid primer all over the lid. Make sure it is a thin, even layer. I'm using the Kiko Milano Eye Base Primer. Now we immediately set the primer with any translucent powder of your choice. I'm using the MAC Perfecting Powder in the shade Light. Next step is optional, but I like my lid to have some warmth to it, hence I use a nude light brown from the Tarte Lid in Bloom palette by Tarte in the shade Smarty Pants. I apply the eyeshadow with a classic blending brush on top of my whole mobile lid and blend the crease line as well for a little contouring. I also apply the shade on the outer part of my lower lash line with a flat smudger brush. Furthermore, I like to highlight around my tear duct and my brow bone with a white matte shade from the same palette called Charmer using a round dense pointed brush. That was basically how I prepare my base before actually applying the eyeliner. So overall, I'm going to show you 3 methods of applying your eyeliner without it getting smudged. In the first 2 methods, we only work with eyeshadow to create our eyeliner, because I personally think the eyeliner created with only eyeshadow will last longer on eyes with excess skin covering the lid. So first of all, I take out a precise brush and spray it with setting spray once. Then I start to line my upper lash line. I keep the line thin and pay attention to not cover the whole available lid space. The less lid space you have, the thinner the line should be, starting from the inner corner up until close to the outer corner. You can apply the line thicker on 1/3 of the outer edge. Now slightly close your eyes. If you notice any gap between the lines, then connect them. If you like your eyeliner like this, then you're basically done. Now if you want a bold, sharp, winged eyeliner, keep your eyes open and extend the upper lash line pointing upwards to the tail of the brow. Now connect the outer part of the liner to the basic line on your lid, keeping your eyes open and relaxed. Before filling in the wing, look downwards. If you notice a gap, then close it by connecting the lines. Then start to fill in the winged liner with eyeshadow. Spray a little setting spray to the liner brush before dipping it to the eyeshadow shade for more long-lasting and intense dark results. This bold eyeliner, in comparison to eyeliners drawn with eyeliner, is less probable to smudge and transfer since it is applied with a matte powder product. The trick with the setting spray also helps it to last longer. Now, if you like it smoky, then skip the setting spray step while filling in. Instead, fill in the winged liner with a dry eyeliner brush and start to smudge the top of the wing and the basic line a little with a dry smudger brush. That's it for the first bold, sharp, or smoky winged eyeliner method. The second non-smudging eyeliner method is simple, soft, and beginner-friendly. So first of all, I use a dry eyeliner brush, applying my small flick on the outer corner of the eye. Then I connect it to my upper lash line up until the first outer third of my eye. For the last step, I use a round petite blending brush and blend the eyeliner until any hard edges are softened. That's it for the second method. This one is great for extreme hooded eyes, for beginners, and for the hot summer temperatures, as with less intense products, the probability of smudging eyeliner is very low. Now, onto the last non-smudging eyeliner method. What you would do here is to use a waterproof eyeliner and only line close to the lash line and create a small flick if you want a winged eyeliner, and if you don't, you can leave it as a basic eyeliner. Now you can use an eyeshadow in the same shade, in our case it is black, and apply it on top, surrounding the top of the winged eyeliner. We blend until the eyeliner looks soft and faded towards the brows and dark and intense towards the lash line. This method is great for partially hooded eyes where the lid space can be still seen and it looks more dramatic since it turns out more intense in terms of color. But really, any eye shade can wear this eyeliner. It just looks much better than a sharp winged eyeliner because there is no contrast. The shades fade away into the skin tone, and that is what it makes it look really harmonious. For the end results, I went for the bold smoky winged eyeliner on both eyes. So for the following steps, make sure to use waterproof mascara as well to stop smudging further. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise waterproof mascara. To level up the eye makeup, I'm using a pair of natural lashes from the brand Kiss. Please let me know whether you have tried one of these methods out and how it worked for you in the comment section. If you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, then please consider leaving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for more helpful makeup tips and tricks. Thank you so much.